What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bear. Today we have a flashlight from WARSUN. It's an LED flashlight model DC8, and here we have the flashlight itself, the packaging that comes with it. Now they do specify that this is good for climbing, camping, repairing, like automobile work, hiking, emergency, or caving. If you're into that, make sure you get yourself one of these flashlights. This is the charging cable. It comes with Type-C and USB. And the flashlight itself looks absolutely fantastic. It does have a 90-degree rotatable lamp head, so you can use it in that orientation or this. Bam! This is the power button and the battery indicator. It is digital, so when you go ahead and turn it on, you're going to know exactly how much battery you have left. And you also have a light right there on the body of this. On the bottom, you do have magnetic stand, so this is going to attach to anything metal. And then you have your charging ports, which is your Type-C. And then you can also use this to charge your cell phone if you need this. This serves as a battery pack right there, so you can go ahead and use this to charge your cell phone if you absolutely needed to. So let's go ahead and run through the quick modes here. So you're going to click once, and then you're going to get your high, medium, and then low, which is strobe basically. And then if you want to go ahead and activate this down here, you're going to go ahead and hold, and then you're going to get a nice ambient light like that, as you can see. Then if you want to cycle through these, you can click once and you're going to get a red light, a blue light, and the red and blue strobe, and then you can turn it off. And that's pretty much all this flashlight does. So it becomes very helpful. The red and blue, in case you want to be seen if you're stranded out there and then you need to be seen, you can go ahead and turn this on and it will go ahead and shine for you. Now, as far as the lumens, I don't quite see how bright they are, but they do get pretty bright. It is constructed of like heavy duty plastic. It does feel a little bit of light, but that's okay. It's nice and pocketable. You do have your clip here, so if you want to clip it on your hat, on your pants or anything like that, you do have a clip right there. And the adjustable rotating head makes it for convenience. So if you want to put it on your cap and look forward, you can. Or if you want to put it on your cap and look down, you can. If you want to attach this to any magnetic object, you can. Very versatile little EDC pocket friendly flashlight. The WARSUN did go ahead and send me 2 additional flashlights, so I will be giving 2 of these away to a lucky subscriber. Just leave a comment regarding on what you're going to use the flashlight for, and I'm going to go ahead and choose 2 lucky subscribers and send them out a flashlight of their own. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this flashlight, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.